Hi friends! Today we're going to make some peanut butter pine cones for our bird friends since they've all come back since winter's over. So what you're going to need are some pine cones. You're going to need some peanut butter, some string to tie it, some bird seed, and a pair of scissors to cut your string. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the peanut butter and we're going to spread it all over the pine cone, just like this. And it doesn't have to be 100% covered, it just needs to be covered enough to get some bird seed on there. So now that you got your peanut butter pine cone, what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to dip it and you're going to roll it in the bird seed. Just like this. See? So now you have part of your bird feeder. And what you're going to do now is we're going to take some string and we're going to tie it around the top. Just like this. And we're going to knot it just so it makes sure it stays on the string. Alright, so now we're going to take our bird feeder and we're going to go find a tree. Tie it to a branch, just like this. And again, you're going to knot it. And there you have it, a peanut butter bird feeder. Bye, friends.